Welcome everyone, I am Bhavini and this is the day 3 of our 21-day yoga practice at home. Today we are going to be practicing a sequence of posture which is going to help you relieve your back pain or any tension that has accumulated in your lower back. So all you need is a mat and some comfy clothes. So let's get started. The first pose that we are going to start with is child's pose. So you can have your knees wide apart, have your toes together and heels wide apart. Bring your hips all the way back and slowly walk your palms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat. We are going to hold this posture for a while. As you hold this posture, notice how your belly expands and contracts. This pose is a pose of going inwards. Allow any tension from your shoulders to melt away on the sides. Allow your lower back to relax. Visualize that you are melting into the ground. Any tension, any worries that you have, imagine that they roll off your back into the ground. And every breath makes you feel more lighter. With that lightness in your heart, you start to walk your palms back, lift your forehead up. From here, you're going to cross your feet, sit back and place your feet in front. Your toes are pointing forward. Find your fingertips to touch the floor and lengthen your spine. You can sit here just resting your hands on your knees as you continue to lengthen your spine. And imagine that you're breathing in this area as you hold. For next 2 breaths, you can just let go and drop your head. Staying aware of your breath and inhale. Lift your head up. From here, we're going to bring our hips forward. Bring your knees to your chest. Hug your knees and start to roll on your back. So you're going to rock back and forth. Do this 5 to 6 times. This helps to massage your whole spine, massaging your lower back. You continue to do this, and after a few times, you can let go of your legs and just lay down on the floor. When you lay down on the floor, be extra aware that you want to put this flat on the floor. From here, release your legs in front. We're going to lift your right leg, interlace the fingers and hug your right leg to your chest. This posture helps to release the muscles in the back. So that is why we have to make sure that you're not arching here and you let go of any tension. is bringing softness in your heart, softness in your neck and your shoulder. As you exhale, you release your right leg. Bend your left knee and hug your left knee to your chest. Hold this position. You will also notice that once you hug your knees and you breathe, your belly kind of pushes to your thigh. This also helps to massage your abdominal organs. And slowly release the left leg on the floor. From here, we are going to bend both the knees, bring the soles of our feet on the floor. Lift your right leg up, bend the knee, turn the leg to the side and place the ankle on your thigh. Lift the left foot up and off the floor. Make sure your feet is flexed, both feet. Interlace your fingers behind the thigh and hug the thigh. So you want to gently pull the thigh towards your chest. So don't force it, just gentle pull. This posture also helps to release the muscles, especially the muscles around the outer hip. And eventually bringing relief in your lower back. You're going to release this leg and switch, bringing the right leg on the floor, left leg on top, and gently pulling the right leg towards your chest. Make sure you keep both your feet flexed as you continue to gently pull. Again, your neck, your face, your shoulders are nice, soft, relaxed. Imagine that you breathe into the area of your body wherever you feel some tightness, some stiffness, and then you let go of the legs. From here, you're going to bring the feet mat width apart and then drop the knees together. Place the palms on your belly and take a few breaths to just be. I invite you to close your eyes here. And when you breathe, you become aware of how your belly lifts your palms up when you inhale and how your palms fall down when you breathe out. Finding that stillness within you, that softness within you. From here, we're going to gently open our eyes and bring the legs and feet together. You're going to bring your arms in line with your shoulder, lifting the right leg up, put the right leg over your left leg and drop your knee to one side. You can turn your gaze to the opposite side. If you feel that your shoulder, right shoulder is like not reaching the floor, you can grab a cushion or a pillow and place it under your knee. So this will give some height to your knee and help you to release the shoulder on the floor. This posture, it is very important to breathe into the belly as it helps to release the muscles of your back. As you breathe here, notice the sensation in your body. How do you feel right now? On your next inhalation, you can lift the leg up and switch your legs. Take your pillow on the other side and you can drop the knee. Turn your gaze to the opposite side. It's really relaxing here to keep your eyes closed. And fall into the state of being. You don't have to do anything here. Nothing's waiting for you. And you're waiting for nothing. Slowly, as you start to bring your legs back to the center, release your legs, release your feet on the floor, your feet mat width apart. Finding that stillness again. Noticing how your front body melts into your back body. And your back body melts into the ground. Slowly lift the palms up and we are going to rub the palms together to create some warmth. Press the palms gently together and bring the thumbs to your forehead to finish the class.